You like laundry? Enjoy it.
Who did this to you?
Get out of my house. Police, there's a fake nurse escaping.
This is the police. Put your hands up. Put them over your head.
Bye-bye. I hate you so
I left my phone at home. What?
Police, please come.
Bye-bye, kitten.
Well, sweet milk. No.
This is the police. Put your hands up.
You look stunning, darling. Take care of him, please.
Bye-bye, kitten.
That was not for you. You're finished.
I miss you, babe.
Oh my God.
This is the police. Put your hands up.
Finally, a perfect dress for my date. You little monster.
Send help. I think she's done something terrible.
She's gone. Looks like suicide. Possible alcohol overdose.